Enzo, Althea, me, Janena. So yeah, guys, let's play games. And comment who's the winner. I'm first, guys.
Let's say I'm first.
Okay,
Let's beat her. Let's beat. I'm gonna beat her.
but you get two tries. But you get two tries. Okay?
You don't get something.
Bro.
Ako sunod.
Bato, bato.
Sunod na ako man. Ako man.
So guys, there.
Ikaw na.
So you get two tries. You get two tries.
Again.
Wait, why is it not slow anymore? Why is it not slow anymore?
Okay, me turn.
But you got two tries.
Yes. Uy!
So guys, you might wonder what were they? What were they?
Uy!
You got two.
Okay, let's beat her.
Ako sunod. Kuya, kuman. Ako na. So guys, there's...
No! Game over!
So guys, they're speaking their own language. Magdali, Enzo!
Si Eden man!
Hey, prepare mo na po.
Two tries na.
Two tries.
Na, siya to. Two tries.
Ano ba?
It's still moving, bro.
Wow.
Nani end or wala?
Wala.
Yeah. Serious?
Wait, why is it still slow at yours?
Yes, kaya I'm a good one. Bro. I'm a good person. Wait, wala dyan eh, end.
Wala.
Bro.
Up to 100 yung end.
Ako.
Uy!
Ako po.
Muna mo ko!
Wala man.
So guys, my friend is next. Pagka! Hurry up, I'm not gonna lose.
You're gonna lose?
Two tries.
Two tries. Hindi pa nag-try siya dito? Ay! You better not to lose.
You better not lose. Nyamanya. No, di mo na. Guys, comment down below who is the winner. Bye guys.